I've been living like a sick individual. I've been lining up my enemies and killing them in intervals. Think I'm mentally deranged and the kid is a criminal. When I tell him I'm a demon, y'all are taking it literal. Damn, I don't really got a demon inside of me, but I really got a problem and I need a lobotomy. Still I keep it level-headed for the people who follow me. Know that YPG about to make a monopoly. Y'all are bugging, I can't be controlled. Never really cared who stack cream the most. I crack teeth and bones, attack beats and foes. When I get up in the booth, the track decompose. Everybody wanna come and complain with nothing to gain. It cuts, but I'm numb in the veins. I'm loving the pain. I'm about to jump in front of a train. I'm fucking deranged, a werewolf talking to fangs. Been up on the bottom and I'm feeling like I never make it. People wanna doubt it, but it only keep me dedicated. Pop another tab until I feel like I've been levitated. Mama looking at me like I wanna get it medicated. Swear to hate like gasoline. That's why I get fired up when they laugh at me. So give me the mic and I'ma hit them with a masterpiece. They can't compete, they dealing with a savage beast. If I'm about to lose it, I'm the only one to blame. Victim to my thoughts, think I'm never gonna change. Know my soul is burning, still I feel no pain. Try to pray to God, but no, I can't be saved. If I'm about to lose it, I'm the only one to blame. Victim to my thoughts, think I'm never gonna change. Know my soul is burning, still I feel no pain. Try to pray to God, but no, I can't be saved.
Aggravating when I wanna make pop, but the masses crave the rapping tracks. They mad when I acclimate, but platinum plaques don't come from a stagnant place. I work hard, still wealthy, even without budget. Your thoughts ain't really what I'm getting out of it. I don't see your feet moving, I'm peeping your mouth running. Judging off that, I don't think you're ever outrunning. Sit down, get blessed, get loud, you get checked. Bitch, I'm off that. Put them on, ain't gotta flex. I've been in bars, I cut the checks. You ain't off that. And I hold it down, I don't get impressed by a little cloud or a bit of press. When you're fishing off track, I don't consider a loss. Me and my inner respect to be a miserable cause. To go give me a check, you can never knock that hoe. Got them all watching now. What you talk about, what you not about. 30-something still living at your mama's. Kids like you make me wanna pull a condom out. I'm pissed off, funny, you ain't got a problem now. Talking shit on YouTube, feeling boss. When I get up in they face, motherfuckers ain't talking now. It's awkward now, you running out of options now, huh? Ain't gotta lie, I'm not gonna fight you. Never claim to be the brightest in the room, but I'm wiser than y'all. I'm full of pride and stuck on my ways, but like the arrogance to blind me to the truth when my mind is involved. I got my flaws, I got my faults, but when I get to rapping over just homie, I get applause. And when I sing, I'm happy, couldn't try my resolve. I rise and I fall, but look it, I survived through it all.
If I'm about to lose it, I'm the only one to blame. Victim to my thoughts, think I'm never gonna change. Know my soul is burning, still I feel no pain. Try to pray to God, but no, I can't be saved. If I'm about to lose it, I'm the only one to blame. Victim to my thoughts, think I'm never gonna change. Know my soul is burning, still I feel no pain. Try to pray to God, but no, I can't be saved.
Nowadays everyone pussy, they hate and they bitch and they moan, but who never wants smoke, so they see gynecologists. I might go start an apocalypse, dropping a bomb on Iraqis like Donald to catch a body. Nate Soleimani start a world war where the Bin Laden going kamikaze, crash a plane in Metropolis. On, bitch, I've been back on my block again, back in my pocket. I'm strapped with a Glock, I might murder a congressman. Fleeing the scene as I hop in the car at your mama's and throwing her out of it. GTA Niko Bellic Ivanovich. They call me Australian when I spit flames cause I scorched the whole continent. So fuck what you heard, yeah. Little kid from the burb, yeah. They thought I grew up a screw up cause nobody knew what I could do when I would start to write till I got on the mic and murder shit like ISIS. They began to like it, calling me an ill MC. The way I dismember the Achilles knees and widow's peaks of each and every beat I ever meet. I never seem to ever cease, bitch, I'm evergreen, rap till I'm 70. I'm not an earthling, a rap god, I'm heavenly. I put my team on the map like Yosemite. On, hand to God, I never plan to stop until I'm climbing all the way up to the Everest top. And even then I'm elevated to a level above the Himalayas. I'm fun to make it even if it means I gotta eliminate every single one of you haters. No, we'll debate it, I've been the greatest, don't believe me, shit, well then you can check the metadata. It's been demonstrated every time I walk into the booth and detonate it like a stick of dynamite. When on the mic, they've been afraid of me like my name was Freddy or Jason. Till the day they put me on a ventilator, I'ma be annihilating every single rapper in a 99-mile radius. Fuck am I saying? I'll murder anybody from the east side to the west coast. Shot-town spitters fly high like a G5. YouTube rappers wanna talk about me, right? Pussy little bitches, I cook them like deep fried. So who the fuck wanna rumble? You looking for trouble if beefing with me? Cause you'll end up asleep 6 feet deep in a hole. I've been stacking up bodies. Yo, Benjamin, where's my shovel?